Two hosting giants, one for devs, one for WordPress. Vultr versus WP Engine, which one really delivers? On the left, Vultr, flexible cloud hosting for developers. And on the right, WP Engine, premium managed WordPress hosting. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Alright, here's the big picture. We're gonna compare these two on price and value, performance and uptime, user-friendliness, features, support, security and backups, and their main use cases. Got all that? Let's get into the details. First up, price and value. Vultr is, well, seriously budget-friendly. It's not just cheap, you pay as you use, which is awesome if you're running smaller projects or just getting started. But fair warning, if you need fancy setups or scale up big time, the bill can jump. Now WP Engine, yeah, it's noticeably pricier. You're paying for a bunch of premium WordPress features, and honestly, for non-techie folks who want a full package, the value's there. Still, that entry cost, it's high. Overall, price-wise, Vultr pretty much takes the win here. Next, performance and uptime. Vultr has these high-performance compute servers and promises a 99.9% uptime. If you know how to manage your own stuff, it's rock solid. WP Engine, meanwhile, is tuned specifically for WordPress, so sites are super snappy, plus you get the CDN goodness. But their uptime stats are actually just a tiny bit behind Vultr's. So in this category, Vultr edges out WP Engine by a hair. Moving on to user-friendliness. Okay, Vultr's dashboard is basically a playground for developers. If you like customizing and tinkering, you'll love it. If you're a total beginner though, it's intimidating. In comes WP Engine. Their platform is like the Apple of WordPress hosting: point, click, done, staging, backups, updates, all automatic. But you're locked into WordPress only, so no wild flexibility. Still, for ease of use, WP Engine absolutely wins this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know WP Engine powers over 1.5 million live WordPress sites, while Vultr's a favorite for devs in more than 150 countries? That's some serious reach, right? Let's talk features. Vultr offers things like bare metal servers, one-click apps, custom ISOs, firewalls, managed databases, the works. But most of the setup, yeah, it's on you. WP Engine gives you those automatic backups, WordPress premium themes, and security straight out of the box, but no email hosting and plugin limits, plus way fewer server spots. So honestly, both bring a lot, but neither completely blows the other out, so we're calling this one a tie. Support time. Vultr covers the basics. You've got email, phone, support tickets, nothing wild, and sometimes you gotta wait. WP Engine, totally different story. 24/7 live chat, phone, forums, the works, and their customers rave about it. Small catch, the seriously premium support is reserved for big plans. Still, WP Engine takes this category. On to security and backups. Vultr offers a lockdown SLA, DDoS defense, and custom firewalls. Problem, you usually have to set up backup and restore yourself, which isn't ideal if you want peace of mind. WP Engine, though, handles all the security heavy lifting and daily backups automatically. If you're keen on extra control, that part's a bit limited. But for most users, WP Engine is just safer and easier, so they take the win on security. Use case. Vultr is the dream playground for devs and sysadmins. Total freedom, any CMS, custom apps, you name it. Only catch, you gotta be ready to roll up your sleeves and do the management bit. WP Engine is perfect for agencies or bloggers or SMBs who don't want to touch technical stuff, but it's WordPress only. In reality, both are super strong in their lane, so we're calling this one a tie. Let's visualize everything for a sec. You'll see Vultr shining in price, performance, and flexibility, while WP Engine grabs top scores for user-friendliness, support, and security, especially for WordPress fans. Alright, time for my take. If you want super cheap, flexible hosting that lets you do literally anything and you're cool managing servers, Vultr is the way to go. But if you want an easy life and killer support for your WordPress site, honestly, WP Engine is like putting your site on cruise control. You just pay a bit more for the ride. If you found this breakdown helpful, go check out live demos for Vultr and WP Engine. Figuring out your perfect fit is way easier when you see them in action.